So this is a little tutorial for your assignment. I want to show you very quickly what you have to do for your class presentations. First of all, you need to look at your task sheet for test usefulness, and you're going to choose any of the tests that we've been looking at for which you have the syllabuses. So you choose one, and looking at the information in the test syllabus, you're going to answer all of the questions here. In some cases, if there are no answers, if you cannot find the information in the test syllabus, you can leave the question unanswered. If you prefer, you can look for the information in other sources, but they have to be official, reliable sources. So you're going to answer the questions, all of the questions that you can. If some of them cannot be answered because there is no information in the syllabus, you leave them like that. So you go all over and you complete this part. When you have completed this part, you already have all of the information that is necessary for your class presentation. So you're going to use the information in your task sheet in order to develop a class presentation, a PowerPoint presentation. This one, so you're going to enter the information. For example, here, just usefulness analysis, and I'm going to do it for, I did it for Cambridge, right? So you write your name, you do a presentation, you explain what components of test usefulness you're going to talk about, and then you're going to enter the information that you got in your task sheet. For example, the general test data, the purpose of the test is, the target population, you explain, you provide all the information. And in some cases, you may want to illustrate this information that you have using some examples. So you can get some screenshots of the syllabus where you found the information, and you can paste them on your PowerPoint presentation to show what you're talking about, to give some examples that illustrate the points that you're presenting, okay? So then you go for constructability, reliability, and so on and so forth. You will do all of the parts. You're going to do a presentation, and once you have finished your presentation, remember you have to make a video. So in this case, once you finish your presentation, once everything is ready, you're going to go here to this menu, presentación con diapositivas, and you're going to find grabar presentación con diapositivas. You're going to choose start recording from the beginning, okay? You're going to get this window. You have some options. You're not going to touch those ones. You're going to just record. So you're right here, start recording. And everything that you say is going to be recorded in your presentation, okay? So you have to be very careful. I'm going to show you how it works here. So this is my class presentation for test usefulness analysis, and I'm going to talk about Cambridge first. The components that I analyze about Cambridge are, of course, constructability, reliability, impact, interactiveness. So you're going to go explaining, and everything is getting recorded, everything you say. You need to be careful that you don't speak when you change from one slide to the other, because if you do, that part is not going to be recorded. You wait, you explain, then you change, and when you get a new slide, you can start talking. Because if you speak during the transition from one slide to the other, the sound is going to be cut, okay? So then you explain the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, okay? You say your presentation, and then it's going to be recorded. If you make a mistake when you're recording, imagine that here I made a mistake in constructability. I was explaining, and then I got confused, and I don't like the way it is. So you're going to stop the presentation. You're going to get out using the escape key, and then you're going to record, to re-record only that slide. You don't need to start from the beginning. If you made a mistake in one slide, if I want to record this one again, okay, I'm going to go again to grabar presentación con diapositivas, and I'm going to start recording from the present slide. So I'm going to do here just to record this one again. So I'm re-recording this slide. I'm going to explain again because I made a mistake, okay? And when you finish explaining this slide, you don't go to the next one because you're going to erase it. So I finish explaining where I made a mistake. I press escape and I fixed it. Okay, so you can fix all of the individual slides with the presentation, the ones that you didn't like, the ones where you made mistakes. You can do it individually. You don't need to start again from the beginning. So when you're happy with your presentation, when your explanations are correct, when you like what you explain, you can proceed to save your presentation. So you're gonna go here, guardar como, and you're going to select Windows Media File, Video de Windows Media, okay? So you're going to save it like that. All right, I'm gonna save it like that. And then my presentation is going to be saved as a video, okay? So once you have your presentation that is recorded like that, you can watch it and you can modify things that you didn't like again here from the beginning. All of the things, if you see here, everything is recorded. This little thing shows me what was recorded, okay? So I can modify the things, I can record it again. So you save it, and once you have saved your presentation as a video, then you can if you have a YouTube channel, you upload it there and just post the link in the classroom group, or if there's enough space, you can put it directly. You can post directly the video in the classroom page. But like I said, you can do it from YouTube, or you can just send me the link so that I can view your presentation. What else? Well, I think that will be all. If you see, it's very simple. If you don't like to write a presentation because you don't, I mean, it's difficult for you to handle technology like of this kind, or I don't know, just for any reason you don't want to record a presentation, what you're going to do is you're going to present the information. Instead of using a PowerPoint, you're going to write it on a text. So that means that in Word, you're going to create a text where you explain test usefulness. You're going to write a little introduction and you're going to explain all of the things in detail. You can also use some pictures, from some screenshots from the test syllabus as examples. So you're going to have a written work instead of a video. That's also possible. If you cannot or do not want to use a video, you don't want to do a video, you will just write a text. Now I'm going to show you just one last thing. I think that my video is ready, okay? So I'm going to show it to you very quickly. Just give me a little second here. I'm going to open it. Here we go. Just a second, okay? I'm going to show you the video right now. So here we go. Okay. Now here's my video. You can listen to it. This this is my class presentation for test usefulness analysis, and I'm going to talk about Cambridge first. So if you see, because it is, I was explaining, and then so that's the video. So that's everything. I hope that this little tutorial will be useful. Good luck with your test. And as you can see, I've changed the date. Now you can submit it. You can submit this assignment on May the 11th instead of May 8th. Okay, so good luck with your work, and you can ask any questions in the group if you have some questions. Bye.